Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you where you can get the CSV file for your Crypto.com app transactions, and this can be helpful, particularly when you're trying to figure out how to do your crypto taxes. So what we're going to do is launch the Crypto.com app, and it's actually pretty straightforward. So what we want to do is go down here towards the bottom and click on where it says Accounts. And then the next thing we want to do is find this little clock-looking icon with the $sign. This is going to be the history of our transactions. We're going to click on that. It's in the upper right-hand corner for me right here. This takes us to our transaction history, and what we want to do next is find this little box that has the arrow pointing up. We're going to select that. And then it says your transactions can be exported into a CSV file. Please select a range of a maximum of 3 years for your export. And only one transaction type can be exported at a time. So a lot of you are probably just going to start off and do the crypto wallet. But if you click on this little down arrow right here, you can also create CSV files for your fiat wallet as well as your Crypto.com Visa card. But for this example, I'm going to be doing the crypto wallet, so that's already selected. And then you need to select a starting date and an end date. So for a tax year, for instance, it would be January 1st through December 31st. So selecting January 1st and December 31st of the same year and click OK. So now we have the range of dates that we're looking for. So we can click where it says Export to CSV. And then it says Report Generation is complete. And any CSV reports that you have created are going to show up in this area, and you can download that CSV by clicking the download option right here. And if you're wondering where you can find this file on your phone, it's going to probably be a little bit different depending on what kind of phone that you have. But if you're like me and you have an Android phone, if we go back to the home page, and then if we scroll up from the bottom of our phone, and we look for an app that's called File Manager, and in the File Manager, under our downloads, that's where we should be able to find that CSV file. And we can see right here at the top of my downloads is that CSV file that I created. So you can use this, send it over to your email, for instance, to get easy access to it. But that is where you should be able to find it in the downloads of your file manager. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you can create a CSV file of your transactions in the Crypto.com app. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.